I'm Aaron Tucker, and this is How to Knot a Tie Step by Step. If you need to wear a tie and you're really not used to wearing ties, but you have a formal event or something that requires you to dress up a little bit, why not wear a tie? I'm going to show you the easiest way to tie a tie step by step. First, you want to take your tie, have the broader end longer than the narrow end. If this is around your neck, you're going to cross the broad end over the narrow end. From there, you'll bring it through and create your first loop. This is half of your knot created already. You're going to take the wider side of the tie, cross it around the back, fully bring it around the front, and you're creating a little pocket for your tie. So you're going to take the broader end of the tie and bring it through the back, over the front, and down through the loop you created. And your tie is already in place. So around your neck, you're going to use the narrow end of your tie to adjust it and pull it up to the desired tightness around your neck. And just use the broader side to situate it and make sure it lays perfect. But this is the simplest step-by-step way to tie a tie.